Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Ember, where we light up your English learning journey. I'm Ella.
Hi, Ella. Hey, everyone. It's wonderful to be here with all of you today.
Hi, James. How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling great, thank you. A little nervous, actually, because today's topic is so important.
Nervous? Really? That's perfect, James, because today we're talking about exactly that. We're talking about how to speak English confidently in daily life and how to stop feeling nervous.
Oh, the irony. I'm nervous about talking about nervousness.
See? Even English speakers feel nervous sometimes. That's totally normal.
That's true. But before we dive in, everyone, please remember to subscribe to English Ember. Hit that subscribe button right now.
Yes, please do. And give us a thumbs up if you enjoy learning English with us. It really helps our channel grow.
And share this episode with your friends who are learning English. We want to help as many people as possible feel confident when they speak.
Absolutely. Okay, James, are you ready to talk about confidence?
I'm ready. Let's do this. So, Ella, I have a question for you.
Go ahead.
Why do so many people feel nervous when they speak English, even when they know the words?
That's such a good question, James. I think it's because speaking is different from reading or writing. When you speak, people hear your voice, they hear your accent, and you can't go back and fix mistakes.
Exactly. When I write, I can delete and rewrite. But when I speak, the words come out and they're just out there.
Right. And I think many people are afraid of making mistakes. They think, what if I say something wrong? What if people laugh at me?
Oh, I know that feeling. When I was learning Spanish, I was so scared to speak. My heart would beat so fast. Boom, boom, boom.
See? Everyone feels this way. Even native English speakers feel nervous when they learn a new language.
So it's normal to feel nervous?
Completely normal. But here's the secret, James. Feeling nervous is okay. The problem is when nervousness stops you from speaking.
Ah, I see. So we're not trying to remove nervousness completely.
No, we're trying to speak confidently, even when we feel a little nervous inside.
That makes sense. So how do we do that, Ella? What's the first step?
The very first step is to change your mindset. You need to stop thinking, I'm bad at English, and start thinking, I'm learning English.
Oh, that's powerful. I'm learning instead of I'm bad.
Exactly. When you say, I'm learning, you give yourself permission to make mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning.
I love that. So if I make a mistake, I can just say to myself, that's okay, I'm learning.
Yes! And here's another mindset shift. Stop trying to be perfect. Nobody is perfect, James, not even native speakers.
Really? But native speakers sound so smooth and natural.
Sure, but native speakers also make mistakes. We say and we forget words, we stumble sometimes.
I never thought about that. So I don't need to sound perfect?
No way! You just need to communicate. If the other person understands you, that's success.
Wow, that takes a lot of pressure off. Okay, so mindset is first. What's the second tip?
The second tip is to start small. Don't try to have a 2-hour conversation on your first day.
Start small? Like what?
Like saying good morning to your neighbor or ordering coffee in English. Small, simple interactions.
So I don't have to jump into the deep end of the pool right away.
No, you can start in the shallow end. Practice easy phrases. Build your confidence slowly.
That sounds much less scary. What are some easy phrases people can practice?
Great question. Let's give our listeners some examples. How about, how are you today?
That's a classic. And the answer is usually, I'm good, thanks. And you?
Perfect. Another easy one is, excuse me, can you help me?
Oh, that's useful. What else?
Thank you so much. Have a great day. Nice to meet you.
These are all super simple but so useful in daily life.
Exactly. And when you practice these phrases every day, they become automatic. You don't have to think about them.
Automatic. I like that word. It means natural, right?
Yes, it becomes second nature, like brushing your teeth. You just do it.
Okay, so we have mindset and starting small. What's tip number 3?
Tip number 3 is huge, James. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
Practice talking to yourself.
Wait, talk to myself? Like a crazy person?
No, like a smart person. When you talk to yourself in English, you practice without the pressure of another person listening.
Oh, I see. So I can make mistakes and nobody hears them.
Exactly. You can practice in the shower, in the car, while you're cooking dinner.
What should I talk about?
Anything. Describe what you're doing. I'm making breakfast, I'm putting butter on my toast, now I'm drinking coffee.
That's like narrating my own life.
Yes! Or you can have pretend conversations. Imagine you're ordering at a restaurant or talking to a friend.
I actually do this sometimes. I practice conversations in my head before important meetings.
That's perfect, James. That's exactly what you should do.
And it really helps. When the real conversation happens, I already know what to say.
Exactly. You're training your brain to think in English.
This is such a good tip. What's the next one?
Tip number 4. Don't be afraid to ask people to repeat or slow down.
Oh, that's a good one. Sometimes people speak so fast I can't understand.
Right. And many English learners are afraid to say, I don't understand. They just smile and nod.
Yes, I've done that. And then the conversation continues and I'm completely lost.
That's why it's so important to speak up. You can say, I'm sorry, can you repeat that?
Or, could you speak a little slower, please?
Perfect. And you know what, James? Most people are happy to help. They respect you for trying to speak English.
That's true. When I speak slowly and clearly, people appreciate it.
Absolutely. Now, here's tip number 5, and this one is really important.
I'm listening.
Focus on the message, not the grammar.
Wait, not the grammar? But grammar is so important.
Grammar is important for learning, yes, but when you're speaking, you need to focus on communication, not perfection.
So if I make a grammar mistake, I shouldn't stop and correct myself?
No, keep going. Get your message across first. You can worry about perfect grammar later.
That's hard for me. I always want to fix my mistakes right away.
I know, but here's the thing. If you stop every time you make a mistake, the conversation dies. It's awkward.
You're right. The flow is more important than perfect grammar.
Exactly. Think about it like this. If someone says to you, yesterday I go to the store, do you understand them?
Yes, I understand. They went to the store yesterday. The grammar isn't perfect, but the message is clear.
That's the point. Communication is the goal, not perfection.
This is really freeing, Ella. I feel like a weight has been lifted.
Good. Now let me ask you something, James. What makes you most nervous when speaking English?
I think it's when I don't know a word. Like I have a thought in my head, but I don't know the English word for it.
That happens to everyone. So here's tip number 6. Learn to work around words you don't know.
Work around them? How?
Describe the word instead of saying it. For example, if you don't know the word refrigerator, you can say the cold box where I keep my food.
Oh, that's clever. So I can still communicate even if I don't know the exact word.
Absolutely. You can also use your hands, point to things, or draw a picture if you need to.
Communication is creative.
It really is. And the more you practice this, the better you get at finding ways to express yourself.
I like this. What else can help us feel more confident?
Tip number 7. Surround yourself with English.
What do you mean?
Listen to English music, watch English movies and shows, read English books or articles. The more you hear and see English, the more natural it becomes.
So it's like soaking in the language.
Exactly. Your brain starts to recognize patterns. You learn how sentences are structured, how people actually talk.
And it doesn't feel like hard work because you're enjoying the music or the movie.
Right. Learning should be fun, not torture.
I agree. Okay, we have 7 tips so far. Do you have any more?
I do. Tip number 8. Find a language partner or join a conversation group.
A language partner? Like someone to practice with?
Yes. When you practice with another person regularly, you get comfortable with real conversations.
And it's less scary than talking to strangers?
Much less scary. You can make mistakes together, laugh together, and help each other.
Where can people find language partners?
There are apps and websites for this, or you can find local meetup groups in your city.
That's a great resource. Okay, Ella, I have to ask, what if someone is really, really nervous, like they freeze up completely?
That's a tough one, James, but here's what I recommend. Take a deep breath before you speak.
A deep breath?
Yes. Breathe in slowly through your nose, hold it for a moment, then breathe out through your mouth. This calms your nervous system.
So it's like a physical reset?
Exactly. It tells your body, hey, we're okay. This isn't dangerous.
I'm going to try that. What else?
Remember that the person you're talking to wants to understand you. They're not your enemy. They're your partner in communication.
That's a beautiful way to think about it.
And here's my final tip, James. Celebrate your wins, no matter how small.
Celebrate wins?
Yes. If you said one sentence in English today, celebrate that. If you understood a conversation, celebrate that. Every step forward is progress.
So we should be proud of ourselves.
Absolutely. Learning a language is hard work. You deserve to feel proud.
Wow, Ella, we covered so much today. Let me see if I can remember all the tips.
Go for it.
Okay, number 1, change your mindset. You're learning, not failing.
Perfect.
Number 2, start small with simple phrases.
Great.
Number 3, practice talking to yourself.
Yes.
Number 4, ask people to repeat or slow down.
Exactly.
Number 5, focus on the message, not perfect grammar.
Right.
Number 6, work around words you don't know by describing them.
Good.
Number 7, surround yourself with English.
Yes.
And number 8, find a language partner.
Perfect. And don't forget to breathe and celebrate your progress.
I won't forget. This was such a helpful conversation, Ella.
I'm so glad, James, and I hope our listeners feel more confident now, too.
Me too. Remember, everyone, confidence doesn't mean you never feel nervous. It means you speak anyway.
That's beautiful, James. Speak anyway, even if your voice shakes a little.
Even if you make mistakes.
Even if you don't know all the words.
Because you're learning, and that's amazing.
It really is. Okay, everyone, we're almost out of time, but before we go, we have a little homework for you.
Homework? Oh, no.
Don't worry, it's fun homework. We want you to go to the comments section below and write one sentence in English.
Just one sentence?
Just one. It can be anything. Hello, my name is, or I love learning English, or today I feel confident.
And we'll read every single comment. We love hearing from you.
We really do. Your comments make our day.
And please, everyone, if this episode helped you, click the like button and subscribe to English Ember.
Yes, subscribe so you don't miss our next episode. We have so many fun topics coming up.
And share this with your friends who are learning English. Let's build a community of confident English speakers.
I love that idea, James. A whole community.
Okay, everyone, thank you so much for listening today.
Thank you. You're all doing an amazing job. Keep practicing, keep believing in yourself, and most importantly, keep speaking.
Even when you feel nervous.
Especially when you feel nervous.
Until next time, stay confident.
And keep your English ember burning bright.
Goodbye, everyone.
Bye!